Let's create a teapot. If you don't see that mesh in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Shift-D to duplicate. Y to move on the Y-axis. Hold Ctrl while moving to snap to the grid. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. Let's add the materials. Select the green one, press F3, and pick Quick Fur. Now we've got a hairy teapot. We can change the hair color like this. The hair setting can be fully customized under Particles. Let's add another set of hair to the blue mesh, and comb the hair particles. This is where we go to comb the hair. Type F and move the cursor to change the brush size. Click and drag to comb the hair particles. Please remember to go back to the object mode at the top left corner of the screen. Let's set up the render scene. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned Look Dev HDRI setting. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.